Okay, today we are going to talk about one of my favorite subjects, the tooth of the paper. And no, I'm not a dentist, but your paper still has teeth. So let's take a look down at these diagrams and I'll show you what it is that I'm talking about. So your paper, remember in this video how paper is made. Paper is liquid pulp that is spread out over a screen, and the water drops through the holes of the screen and the paper pulp stays on the top. So what happens is, where the paper pulp stays on the top of the screen, you wind up with high spots, and where the water drops through the screen, you wind up with these low spots. And because it's zigzaggy like this, people have called it the tooth of the paper because it looks like the tops and the bottoms of your teeth. And the reason that this is really important to understand is because when you use a really hard pencil, you're compressing the tooth of the page, and it's making it go so that the high spots are compressed down towards the low spots. And when you use a really soft pencil, you're not compressing the page nearly as much. So you're going to see that it's more speckly, it's less stripy, and the speckles are the whites of the bottom, the low spots of the page, showing through the graphite. So keep in mind that with a harder pencil, your paper will get more compressed and it will look more stripy because the pencil doesn't feather over, each line doesn't feather over one another, and you're compressing those high spots down to the low spots. And with a softer pencil, your pencil will look more speckly and less stripy because it's not compressing those high spots all the way down to the low spots. So that's why you need to know about the tooth of your paper. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, LZM Studio, where I frequently release quick tips and all kinds of different ideas about drawing. Also check out my Facebook and my Instagram page. I like to show photographs of my artwork, of my students' artwork, and share funny stories from my students on those pages. And then check out my website, lzmstudio.com, where you're going to find more inspiration and full-length, detailed tutorials.